Нет еще? Ну окей, давай. My darling, today a great day, Valentine's Day. I want to congratulate you on this holiday. I want you always be happy. And I try to be everything to make you happy. How we are far apart. But remember what I am always with you. My dear, you are my world. You are my everything. I very much wait our meeting. I need you very much. Maybe you no understand me, but I hope you understand me. I love you, my dear. I need you. I'm very miss you. Uh, I'm very waiting for you. My air kiss for you.